High intensity interval training. If you are a gym regular or just a beginner, chances are pretty sure that you have heard how much high intensity interval, or as popularly known as HIIT, is effective in keeping you fit and healthy. Wondering why HIIT has been such a craze among fitness enthusiasts lately? Or are you someone who is looking for what exercises could be included in your HIIT training? Keep on watching the video then as we share with you all the details of the training. What is high intensity interval training? HIIT, or high intensity interval training, is a training technique in which quick, intense bouts of exercise are followed by short and active recovery periods. This training technique helps you to increase your heart rate, burning more fat in less time. HIIT has always been quite the favorite among celebrities, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to shed off a few kilos. The rise of HIIT training dates back to 1996, when Dr. Izumi Tabata created a Tabata protocol for the Japanese speed skating team, which included 20 seconds of intense exercise followed by 10 seconds of rest. HIIT increases the body's need for oxygen during the exercising periods and also creates a shortage of oxygen, which leads your body to ask for more oxygen during the recovery period. This afterburn effect is referred to as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. And that is the secret why HIIT helps in burning calories and fats faster than aerobic or regular exercises. What are the benefits of HIIT? Number 1. Increase in metabolism rate. The EPOC resulted during training speeds up the metabolism rate of the body. Did you know that after a complete HIIT routine, your metabolism will remain boosted for up to 48 hours? That means you will be burning calories even if you are not hitting the gym. Number 2. Quick and convenient. One of the biggest benefits of HIIT is that it does not require equipment and solely focuses on body weight and on increasing up the heart rate, which becomes the biggest factor to help you in burning all those calories. Also, the exercises can be done anywhere and you do not have to run to the gym whenever you want to practice HIIT. Other benefits of HIIT are: Number 1. Improves athletic performance. Number 2. Boosts glucose metabolism. Number 3. Extremely effective in treating conditions like hyperlipidemia and obesity. Number 4. Improves muscle and bone mass. Furthermore, HIIT can be performed even when you are pressed for time. There never has been a universal HIIT session duration, and most of the intense workout sessions last under 30 minutes. An entire HIIT session can last from 5 to 30 minutes, and every session will be effective in helping you to achieve a fitter and healthier body faster. What can be included in your HIIT regime? A HIIT session does not have a specific set of exercises that one needs to follow routinely. HIIT depends on the capacity of the performer and his or her cardiovascular development. A typical HIIT session usually comprises a warm-up period followed by high-intensity exercise sessions separated by medium-intensity exercising or recovery periods. A common formula that is generally followed during HIIT exercises of work to recovery period is a ratio of 2:1. The exercises performed during high-intensity exercises varies from person to person. Here are some quick suggestions from us. Combo 1. High knees plus plank jacks plus burpees. Combo 2. Side plank walls plus jumping lunges plus mountain climbers. Combo 3. Jump squats plus plank jacks plus high knees. Combo 4. Side lunges plus saw planks plus butt kicks. Combo 5. Side plank walls plus burpees plus high knees. Combo 6. Jumping jacks plus mountain climbers plus side plank walls plus saw plank plus burpees. Combo 7. Dumbbell squats plus side squats plus high knees plus butt kicks plus burpees. Combo 8. Jumping lunges plus mountain climbers plus jumping jacks plus side squats plus high knees. Number 9. Jump squats plus jumping jacks plus mountain climbers plus side plank wall plus saw plank. Combo 10. Jumping jacks plus high knees plus butt kicks plus burpees plus mountain climbers. Keep the work period of the exercises for 20 to 30 seconds and the recovery period of a minute. Perform 4 to 5 sets for each exercise in the combos. And for combos after 6, keep the rest period after each exercise for 90 seconds. Tweak the exercises according to your convenience and your fitness goals. What to keep in mind while performing HIIT? Do not skip your warm-up period. Warming up will help the body to get prepared for the high-intensity workout sessions. Number 2. Do not eat beforehand. Number 3. Do not try to perform high-intensity exercises at first. Start simple and then increase your intensity. Number 4. Do not skip your rest breaks, but also make sure not to have too long intervals. Number 5. Wearing the wrong shoes can also lead to injuries in certain exercises. Therefore, do not forget to wear the correct footwear. Also, avoid HIIT if your form is not good or if you are suffering from injuries. HIIT is a tough form of exercise and demands patience, dedication and hard work from the person. The average time for HIIT to show the effect on your body is around 12 to 14 weeks. So be patient with yourself and do not try to push yourself harder. And with a proper diet, healthy lifestyle and HIIT by your side, we are sure that you will be getting your desired body quicker than you thought.
That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.